In this video, we are going to see Bitquery Sunpump API. All the API links will be in the description along with our Telegram channel link. You will need to sign up first on id.bitquery.io to be able to test these APIs. We are going to see three APIs in this tutorial. First API is to get latest trades of a specific token on Sunpump. Second API is to get mempool trades of a specific token. Third API will get you all the trading pairs and their virtual liquidity on Sunpump address. Let's start with the first API to get latest trades of a specific token on Sunpump. Make sure this is EAP here, which is Early Access Program. Select Tron, then select Dex Trade by Tokens, then select some filters using where keyword, then select Trade, Currency in where, and put the smart contract address as the token address that you want to track trades for. I've put in a tokens contract address here. Now select the DEX protocol family as Sunpump from here. After selecting the DEX, we are going to select the data fields that we need from here. Select block time, then select trade details. Under trade details, we are going to select amount in USD, buyer, and the currency, smart contract, name, symbol, and then the DEX. Under DEX, we are going to select protocol name, protocol family, smart contract address of the DEX, which we already know will be Sunpump's address, price of the token, price in USD of the token, seller of the token. Now, we have already selected buyer in here. And now we are going to select the same on side currency, amount, amount in USD. Side currency is basically the currency which is traded against a token. Select the buyer for this token also, seller also, and the side currency details, smart contract, symbol, name. You can select any of these, all of these are available. And now select transaction hash and then change this query keyword to subscription. And now this will be a WebSocket and you will get real-time trades for this token when you click on this run query button. Moving on to the second API, we are going to get mempool trades of a specific token. Just copy the first API over to a new tab and we are going to select this mempool as true. Now this WebSocket will give us the mempool trades for the specific token on Sunpump DEX. Moving on to the third API, we are going to get virtual liquidity of all the tokens on Sunpump. Sunpump doesn't have a dedicated pool for each pair, instead, all liquidity is managed within a single contract. Select Tron, then balance updates, then select filter using where. In where, select balance update address as Sunpump address. After this, select the fields you need info about. After this, do sum of balance update amount. I'm going to give this an alias name of total liquidity, and we're going to group this by a particular currency so that we can get liquidity for each currency. Now run this query and you will see all the tokens with their liquidity on Sunpump. These were the APIs for Sunpump DEX on Tron. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.